Hidden beneath the sun-baked sands and tangled grasses of Australia's wildest frontiers, a silent killer moves with the stealth and grace of a shadow. The Taipan snake, often called the world's most venomous serpent, is a creature wrapped in both mystery and myth. Its reputation precedes it, deadly, elusive, and almost spectral in its ability to appear and vanish, leaving little more than a whisper of movement in its wake. But what makes the taipan so dangerous? And how does this master of camouflage survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth? The taipan is not just one species, but a group of snakes belonging to the genus Oxyuranus. The most notorious among them is the inland taipan, sometimes referred to as the fierce snake. Its cousin, the coastal taipan, is equally formidable, and both possess venom that can kill an adult human in less than an hour. Yet, despite their fearsome reputation, taipans are rarely seen. They are shy, reclusive, and prefer to avoid confrontation, making their encounters with humans a rare but often deadly event. To truly understand the taipan, we must first journey into its world. The inland taipan inhabits the arid, remote regions of Central Australia. Here, the landscape is harsh and unforgiving, a place of cracked earth, sparse vegetation, and relentless heat. Life here is a constant struggle, and only the most adaptable creatures survive. The taipan is a master of this environment, perfectly evolved to blend into the ochre soil and dry grasses. Its scales shimmer in shades of brown and olive, providing the perfect camouflage against predators and prey alike. The coastal taipan, on the other hand, prefers the humid forests and sugarcane fields of northern and eastern Australia. Its territory overlaps with human settlements, but it remains just as elusive, slipping silently through undergrowth or hiding beneath fallen logs. Both species are active hunters, relying on their keen senses to locate prey. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals, especially rats and mice, which they track using a combination of sight, smell, and a highly sensitive tongue that picks up the faintest traces of scent in the air. But what truly sets the taipan apart is its venom. Drop for drop, inland taipan venom is the most toxic of any snake in the world. It is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, procoagulants, and myotoxins, capable of shutting down the nervous system, causing internal bleeding, and destroying muscle tissue, all within minutes. One bite delivers enough venom to kill more than 100 adult men, and yet the taipan is not aggressive by nature. It strikes only when threatened or cornered, preferring to escape rather than fight. Despite its lethal potential, the taipan is a vital part of its ecosystem. By controlling rodent populations, it helps maintain the delicate balance of life in the Australian outback. Without predators like the taipan, plagues of mice and rats could devastate crops, spread disease, and upset the fragile harmony of the land. The taipan's role as both hunter and hunted is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things, each playing a part in the greater web of life. Encounters between humans and taipans are rare, but when they do occur, the outcome can be tragic. Early European settlers in Australia often fell victim to snakebite, and the taipan's reputation grew with each new tale of sudden death and mysterious disappearance. For many years, there was no effective treatment for taipan envenomation, and survival depended largely on luck and the speed with which help could be summoned. It wasn't until the development of antivenom in the mid-20th century that the tide began to turn. Today, thanks to advances in medical science, a bite from a taipan is no longer an automatic death sentence. Antivenom, produced by injecting small amounts of venom into horses and harvesting the antibodies they produce, has saved countless lives. Yet, the danger remains. The speed and potency of taipan venom means that every second counts, and victims must seek medical attention immediately. Even with treatment, recovery that can be long and difficult, a stark reminder of nature's power and unpredictability. But the story of the taipan is not just one of danger and death. It is also a story of survival, adaptation, and resilience. For thousands of years, Australian Aboriginal peoples have lived alongside these snakes, respecting their power and learning to read the signs of their presence. They know that the taipan is not an enemy, but a part of the land, deserving of both caution and reverence. Researchers and herpetologists continue to study the taipan, seeking to unlock the secrets of its venom and behavior. In the laboratory, taipan venom has proven to be a treasure trove of potential medical breakthroughs. Its unique properties are being explored for use in blood pressure medication, pain relief, and even treatments for stroke and heart attack. In this way, the silent killer may one day become a silent healer, offering hope where once there was only fear. Despite their fearsome reputation, taipans are not monsters. They are animals, driven by instinct and shaped by the harsh realities of their environment. They do not hunt humans, nor do they seek out conflict. Instead, they move quietly through the landscape, a living reminder of the wildness that still exists in the world. To encounter a taipan is to glimpse a creature perfectly adapted to its surroundings, swift, silent, and supremely efficient. It is a meeting with a survivor, a master of stealth and precision, whose very existence challenges us to respect the boundaries between human and wild. In the end, the taipan is not just a killer, but a symbol of the delicate balance that sustains life in even the most unforgiving places. As the sun sets over the red heart of Australia, the taipan slips once more into the shadows, unseen and unheard. Its legend endures, woven into the fabric of the land, a silent reminder that in the natural world, power often lies hidden, waiting in the quiet places where few dare to tread.